So, hey, how's it going? This is the mobile team here, Ian and Brendan, and we are going through our sections in this for the Elevate Retail experience. So we have a test user that we can log in with here, and I'll kind of start off. My main responsibilities was the product page and the product details page. So that's kind of what we're going to hit here first. So if you look through here, we have a grid pattern with all the different products that inventory or purchasing was to be able to put in with their prices. And then based on the customer's membership, we do have a discount listed. So, the original price of this CoverGirl lipstick might be $12.99, but it's $11.04 for the discount. Um, you can also sort and filter up here. So you can sort price low to high, high to low, category A to Z, or you can filter by beauty products or whatever category you want. And you can just knock those out. You can also search. So if you wanted like the coffee mug, you can search the coffee mug there. And that's pretty much it for the list. We do have the tab bar down here, but going into the product details right here, um, again, we have kind of the this top part, which is the same information that was on the last card with the discount. It shows that there's 69 currently in stock. We've got the little description here, and then who the supplier is for this item. We have the top 5 suggested items here. It is based off of the amount of purchases within that category. And then if there is not 5 products in that category, then it will get the top purchase items after that category. So like obviously the Dell laptop is not in the same category as the makeup. And then we have some reviews down here. So the customers can get on here and review, and they'll show up here with the customer name, the titles, 5 stars, and whatever uh, description they want to put in. And then obviously we can add it to a cart. It takes a couple seconds to get in there, and then we got the added notification down here. I'll add a couple more things in here so that Brendan can kind of take it from there because he kind of covered the cart. And I will go in here to the cart and let him take it over.
Hi, I'm Brendan. I worked on the cart screen and checkout. And here I just wanted to go over just the layout. We kind of have obviously we have the items. Since this account is a part of a membership, it has the discounts displayed, and you can add to the cart with the plus button, and the minus button would remove and lower the quantity. There's a delete button to use that'll remove it from the cart, and there's also a clear cart button, but we're not going to post that right now, just so we don't have to fully clear it out. And then on the checkout page, as you'll see, we have the items that are currently in the cart up top, and then we'll have the subtotal, the discount with the discount rate, tax, shipping, and then this total for the order. We'll have addresses, which is a drop down, which will be went into more when we get to the accounts page. There's billing. You can have your billing address be the same or different depending on which address you want to use. And there's payment types that depend on the version or like operating system that you're using. And there's also credit card where you can enter your full card details, card holder, card number, CVC, expiration date, and all of those things. So from here, we're going to press on just Google Play and then purchase, and that'll send us over to the order screen, and we'll see a notification up here, and then we'll send it over to Josh, who'll cover that.
Thank you. Next up, we have the orders page. Here we have a list of all of the customer's orders. You can see what date the order was made on. You can see the total price of the order and how many items are on each order. Now, once you click on one of these and pull up the actual full detail, you would then be able to see each separate item, how much the item normally costs versus how much they saved based off of their customer level, the cost of that item after the discount, the full total cost of the whole order, an itemized list of the subtotal, the taxes, the shipping. We have payment status on here. The customer can take a look at the shipping status, who's shipping it, the tracking number for that shipment, and then at the end they can also see where it's being shipped to, plus the address at which it was built to. One thing we wanted to do was make sure that the customer was notified when changes happen. So we have the app set up to also notify on several changes, one being order created, payment status change, fulfillment status change, and shipping status change. And all of these notifications should come in as each change happens on the database.
Hi, I'm Timothy Carpenter. I had the pleasure of designing the accounts page for our mobile application. It has a card which displays an avatar that has our user's initials, their first and last name, as well as their email address and phone number. A user can click on this card and it brings them to an update form where they can update their information like so. We'll edit their last name as well as their phone number. We'll press this button. You can see a response and the information has updated like so. We have a membership card that displays their level as well as their correlated discount rate. An address button which takes them to a list which displays their addresses. A user can edit their addresses from here like so, updated, as well as delete it. You can additionally add addresses like so, and it's displayed right here. Additionally, a user can log out, and new users are able to take advantage of this register and register as a new user like so. And we can see the new user's information displayed here. And that's about it. Thank you so much.